Here we are. Marco, fully completed. This terrible Mustang boosted garage mess of scrap parts and all this glory. You ready for some boost?
Super close, yes, I'm so ready.
Man, look at this. You can drive it with no front bumper? C.
Does it look alright?
It looks great. Dang, look at that. Properly installed intake air temp sensor.
Intake air take sensor?
Oh yeah, that's right, I'm sorry. What's taking so long?
Gotta put my dipstick in.
Did you ever get a new dipstick?
Yeah, I did.
Was it
It's not
from...
fully installed though. It's partly installed.
How is it partly installed? Don't you just shove it in the hole?
That's what she said.
But he's
But
still having trouble with it.
I still don't understand what the problem is.
Only the tip fits.
Okay, this is getting weird. You gotta shove what?
You have to shove it in more.
Okay, so is that... what's the issue, though? Why is it not going in?
I can't shove it in more.
Did you not pull the dipstick tube out that broke?
I did. The dipstick tube is hard to get in.
So is it in?
Not fully in.
So, okay. Alright, this is getting weird. This must be some Mustang shit that I don't understand. Oh, man. Alright. Pretty soon we're gonna fire this bad girl up. Let this screaming demon unleash hell.
We're gonna start.
Yeah, no. We just want to let the car just sit here so we just admire all this gloriness.
Is everything hooked up?
Yeah, dude, is this not his car?
Well, did you hook up the two sensors?
Yeah.
No, I just put it in there and let the wires sit right on the exhaust so it melts. Yes, I hooked it up. Oh, man. Should I back up? Woo! Gauge hooked up?
The boost gauge? Yeah.
Is it reading anything in vacuum?
It's reading 22.
Yeah.
23.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So it's got vacuum. Give it a little beans, man. See what she does.
Yeah.
Damn. The keys aren't in the ignition. What are you looking for?
For my light, so I can shine light into it.
Dang, bro. Hell yeah. Damn, let's get this screaming demon on the road. Is that the catch can for the radiator?
Overflow tank. Yeah.
you just try shoving it right there in the hole?
You have a better idea?
Yeah, put on that piping hot exhaust right there. See if it just melts. Oh my gosh. This is literally scrap stuff laying around. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know if this is a good idea right now. That might be too big.
When Natalie, it's lean, but when I was stepping on the gas pedal and the RPMs were going higher, it seems to rich enough.
Perfect. That's all we need. Man, I've never seen you use a floor jack so quick, man. You can't wait to get this thing off the ground as it almost is gonna fall off the jacks. That was scary. I'm glad you didn't die. No comment. I've never seen somebody so happy to go drive such a gigantic turd. Yeehaw! Oh, there we go. Now we got some light. Thanks, Sean. Good. Now we can see shit. Damn. Oh man. Give it a little gas. Shit your pants. Go, ladies and gentlemen. Remember how to drive this thing? Oh, here we go. Nothing like driving in the dark.
I wonder how much Sean's neighbors love us.
I don't think anybody cares at this point. We're gonna hit some boost. See what this bad girl does. That's right, this thing's got like a truck lift on it. You ain't gonna hit shit getting out of the driveway. Oh my gosh.
I can't even see how much boost.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I forgot to wire up the bulb, so out here in the dark, yeah, well, I don't know. I guess we'll just pay it. Oh my gosh, there you go. Get your flash. Oh man. Dude, did that feel good or what?
Yeah.
You barely touched it too, man. That is awesome. Oh my god.
Should I go left or right?
I don't give a shit. I don't even know where we were at. Oh, we're at Sean's house. Probably, yeah. Go left. Probably less cops. Okay, just watch the AFRs, make sure it doesn't stay super lean. And use your flashlight for the boost. Yeah, see? Oh, buddy. Dude, you hit 6 pounds. That's awesome.
Once you step on it goes lean.
Dude,
I mean, not lean rich.
Yeah, I knew what you meant. It did. It went like 13 and it just stayed there. That's impressive. Dude, this is hilarious. This is probably some of the most ghetto, weird shit I've done in a long time. I like it. Yeah, it kind of breaks up a little bit too. Yeah, the boost is cutting out. We might have a boost leak. Because the boost gauge starts fluttering, like it's not, like it's going to 0 and it's trying to create boost, and then the needle starts jumping. Yeah, see, it's like, all right, that's good. He just gave it the beans. I thought he was gonna get out of it, and he just laid into it. Dude, that was great. That even jumped. I think it went down to 11, didn't it, at one point? Yeah, it's right at 5 pounds, and then the needle starts freaking bouncing. That is some weird shit. God, you probably get seasick watching this, man. This is a spur of the moment drive. Here, take it right here. We'll circle back to Sean's house. Dude, that is freaking hilarious. That's so. I wonder what's causing that breakup at high RPM. Like, I gotta feel like it's like a boost leak or something. It's like there's some hole, but it's still creating, the turbo's still creating boost, but it's like something's leaking off or something. Maybe it's the waste key? I don't know.
Might be the hose clamps that we use.
Oh yeah, the radiator hose clamps we use for.
Is it right?
Yeah, take it right. Sorry, I forgot you don't know where you're going. Yeah, this is like back to where we were coming earlier, so.
Is there cops here?
Probably wouldn't rip off. We'll wait till we get down to the other road, going down to his house. Damn, what does it feel like to drive this thing?
Feels fast compared to that Celica.
I'm actually impressed. I never drove it before, but I'm impressed. It actually kind of moves. Yeah, see, it does like a breakup. I wonder what that is. Huh. There you go, boys and girls. Mustang is producing boost. Marco, do you have anything to say?
No. I'm too excited right now.
Giggling like a 12-year-old girl over here. Oh, man. This is beautiful. What a beautiful day. There she goes.
Why does it smell like clutch?
You don't know how to drive. So, as soon as you just said it smells like clutch, I go, dude, that's what it's doing. The clutch is either slipping or chattering. And he goes, well, it was off Amazon.
Yeah. Dude, how much was it, Marco?
80?
What?
He put
Who
in
buys
80.
a clutch off Amazon? Did you have it primed? Did you get it in 2 days?
No.
I was a joke. Anyways. Dude, the freaking clutch, I think, is what the problem is, because he starts going in it, and it starts, like, vibrating, like it's almost cutting out, and
Really?
The boost gauge goes to 5, and then the needle just sits there and fluctuates.
The needle fluctuates?
Yeah. It's super weird driving it. But, dude, he was sitting there, and I mean, dude, he's just looking at the gauge and just flooring it. He gave it the beans, just...
Sick.
Yeah, dude, but yeah,
Sick.
it's boosting.
So what do you think, Marco? Was it awesome or what?
It was awesome.
He's got to go change his underwear because he
Yeah.
shit himself. Yeah, I forgot how ugly this thing was.
That's his child.
Damn. Yeah, that was pretty cool hearing it rip.
Found it in the garbage, took it in.
There you go. Damn. Wow. I'm impressed. For a budget build like this, this is impressive.
Not bad.
I'm impressed. The fact it created boost in itself, I think, is
Yeah, I know, right?
some monumental discovery here.
The
Damn.
fact that we didn't have to be towed back.
Yeah, that's a good start.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, and the AFRs were just rich.
Really?
Yeah.
Once you step on it,
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah. We'll fine tweak it and maybe get a
Oh, yeah.
proper clutch.
We'll
I don't
see.
know. I wonder if it's the clutch that's chattering, because when he's in it, like throttling it, it's just like the whole car starts vibrating like crazy.
Huh.
Yeah, whatever.
Sweet.
Sweet. There you go. Congratulations, Marco.
Thank you.
Good shit.
Well, thank you guys for the help.
Yeah, of course. No, I barely did shit. I just talk shit. So. Alright, I gotta get out of here.
All right. Sweet. There we have it. First drive. Hitting boost.
With boost, yeah.
With boost.
An Amazon clutch.
Amazon clutch.
Alright.
All right.
Boys later.
Peace.